Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick video to introduce you to readworks.org. I don't know if I know I had posted a couple of videos a couple of weeks ago showing and suggesting it as a resource for summer, but I decided to go ahead and I'm actually creating another video for one of my classes, and I thought I'd do a test video using that particular software called Screencast-O-Matic to create a video showing you guys how easy it is to get going with a summer reading program for your student, whatever, well, within reason, whatever reading level they're at, to make sure that these next, I think we have 8 more weeks of summer, maybe 7, to before school starts again. So here you go. This is the readworks.org website. You can see my little pointer flipping around. So you go to www.readworks.org, you log on, and then you get here. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a teacher or not. You just click on I'm an educator, and hopefully it will work. And I'm actually already signed up. So, but you can set up an account right here and just set up. It's pretty easy, and I just put my I think I called myself Callahan Homeschool when I did this. Click login and you are up and running. So you come here, and the whole concept behind Article a Day is that it builds stamina. You learn to read by reading, the same way we do anything with our brains. Our brain is a use it or lose it organ. So you come here, and if you know the rough grade level that your student is reading at, you can pick it here. And then you also get the Lexile level. The important part about Article a Day is you really want to hit their independent reading level. Now, independent reading level means they know above, I think it's over 95% of the words. So in a single article, you're going to come across maybe 1 or 2, depending on the length, maybe 3 words that they don't know. But these articles are all curated, and they're designed so that a student can kind of parse out and figure out what the word means by using inferencing. So let's say your kid is reading at a 2nd grade reading level. You hit the 2nd grade level, and then and make sure that you click on Article a Day. And basically what it does is and then kind of scroll through, and you look and see what's interesting. These are all nonfiction articles. That's kind of the whole point of Article a Day too, is that it's about building that foundational vocabulary, that tier 2 vocabulary, and it's kind of connecting the dots for your kid. So that's why this Article a Day series is so beneficial and it works so well, is because it exposes your kid to more and more information that they can then, it's like the constructionist theory that I like to use is it's kind of like building Legos. You're learning more information that you're attaching to what you already know. So the more you're exposed to new information, the more likely you are to be able to retain that information and use that information when you can connect it to stuff that you already know. So the reason these Article a Day series are so beneficial is because they build that awareness, they build that knowledge base that we develop in our lives. And the problem with our kids who have challenges with reading, is that they're not exposed to as much knowledge as our students who can read and who enjoy reading and who are particularly competent at reading. So you kind of go through here and see what your kid is interested in. Are they interested in disasters? Are they interested in other countries? And so for giggles, let me pick my kiddo. I think he would like, I'm going to pick Exploring Continents. So you click on Exploring Continents, and then you get this thing, and these are all the articles that fit with this kind of theme, which is exploring continents. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit print. This is the actual article. They all come with beautiful pictures and they're very printable. So this is what? So this and the other piece of Article a Day is that they're really designed to be used in 10-minute segments. That's the beauty of it. So you can do this right after breakfast. And if your kiddo really hates it, you can just say, all right, well, we're going to do 10 minutes. And you just set the timer and be like, we're going to do this for 10 minutes. And so what you can, so you hit print. So you kind of go through this. So this is at second grade level. The entire set is from 5:30 to 7:10. And what I would do is I would hit print. I want to print all the articles in a set because I think that makes it the easiest, and I'll show you how. So you hit print and you're going to get a PDF of all the articles. You're actually going to have, so it has 6 articles. Some sets will have 5, some will have 7. It really kind of depends on how they've created the set. So you've got 227 words, 306 words. These articles are meant to be read within 10 minutes because you really only want to do this for 10 minutes. I like to liken this exercise to when you're starting to walk, when you're starting to learn how to run and you just walk, they tell you, you know what, just walk for 20 minutes. Either get out and walk away from your house for 10 minutes, turn around and walk back, or get on the treadmill and just walk for 20 minutes and do that every day for a week and then see how you feel. And this is a very similar concept. You're going to be doing this every day. And then you just hit print. You hit print. And let's see if it finds my printer. It does have my printer. So I'm going to go ahead and print this article up, this little book up, and we're going to have this set. And then once you have it, you're ready to go. So that's the Article a Day. I hope this makes sense. It really is a tremendously useful tool, and I think it can really help your student, which is why I'm pushing it as hard as I am. So that's that. I hope that's useful.